Let's open the NVIDIA app, go to settings, and you can see the games and the app setting is there. You need to click scan now and wait for a couple of seconds. Once scanning complete, after you go with graphics and check the program, the games are added or not. If it's added means okay. If it's not added means you need to come back to settings and scan location is there. You need to view and modify. Check the games drive and location is correctly mentioned or not. If it's mentioned or not, you need to check and remove the unwanted. And if you need to add the location, click add, and you need to add the location of the games. For example, it's all the games will be in a C drive, and program files inside have some specific location. You need to click and add the location. Once you add the location, it will show here and close it. And again, you need to scan now. Now it's verifying. And after that, you need to go to graphics and check. And also, you can click view support and you can check in these all the games and supporting games are there here. You need to check the supported games is our name is available or not. If the name is not available means that's the reason it's not showing. So these are the games should be shown in NVIDIA and the supported games. So if it's not available, that's the reason it's not showing. So if it's available means still it's not showing means you need to go to driver and check it's in game ready drive or studio drive. You need to click game ready drive and you need to install or else you need to download or else you need to reinstall. Depends on the icon it's showing. If it's showing download means you need to download it. And after that you need to go for settings and go to app settings. And in this, go to display settings, scroll down and go to graphics settings. Here you can see the advanced graphics settings. The hardware access should be in turn on mode. Make sure and check the NVIDIA app. The GPU performance should be in high performance and optimization should be in on. Check this and come back and restart your PC once. Thank you.